Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the secret gingerbread custom in Dress and Press game on Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Christmas update has been dropped in Dress and Press, and there is a new item, which is this gingerbread custom item that you can apply or that you can wear. And if you want to get the gingerbread custom guys, you just need to go to this area and you will find a cookie right here. And when you click on the cookie, it will give you this gingerbread custom. You can put it on your avatar or your model. Just click on this cookie and then you will get this gingerbread custom, and you can change the color guys, but unfortunately it has no toggle. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the secret gingerbread custom in a Dress and Press Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.